Hello friends, welcome back once again to my channel Gurukul. Hello everyone, today I am going to start with a new chapter, Knowing Our Numbers. So let us begin with exercise 1.1. Question number 1 is, write the smallest natural number. I hope we all know what is natural number. Natural number starts from 1 onwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, endless. So the smallest natural number is 1. And the second part they are asking is, can you write the largest natural number? No, because the process of counting is endless and hence there is no largest natural number. Number 2. We have to insert commas suitably and write each of the following numbers in words in the Indian system and the international system. So first we'll start with the Indian system. The digit is now in the Indian system we have to move from right to left and then count 3 places, first 3 place and then place a comma, then 2 place and then place a comma. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So according to the Indian system, now we have to write this in words. So it is 5 lakhs, 6,000, 700, 23. Now the same digit we have to write in the international system. Now in the international system we have to count 3 and then place a comma. So here it is. So now let us begin. This is in the international system. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So here we will write 500, 6,000, 723. Now the second digit is, which we have to first write in Indian system, 18001818. So according to the Indian system, count 3, place a comma, then count 2, place a comma, and then again 2. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So now let us begin. It will be 18 crores, 18,000, 18. Now the same digit we have to write in the international system. So accordingly we will count 3 places and place the comma. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So now let us begin. One hundred 80 millions 2018. Question number 3. 1. We have to write the following numbers in expanded form. So number is 750,687. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So now let us expand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the place of 1000 is 0, so we can write nothing there. We'll come to 6, that is 600 plus 80 plus next digit 5, 0, 3, 2, 1, 0, 9. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus the place of lakh is empty, 0, so we'll omit that. Then comes 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2000 plus 100 plus 9. Question number 4. 1. We have to write the following numbers in figures. It is given 7,03,420. So 7,03,420. Number 2. 80 crore 23,093. 80 crore 23,093. And they have asked to mention the place value chart above it. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now we move on to question number 5. It says write each of the following numbers in numerical form and place commas correctly. So number 5, 1. It says 73,70,407. So first let me write the digits. 73 lakh 70,407. So we'll place the 0 commas. There we have. Number 2. It says 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So 9 crore. Five lakhs. $41. 322. Number 3. 58 million. 423,000. 202. So now this is international system. So we place the comma after 3 digits. moving from right to left. So this is sum number 5. Question number 6. We have to write the face value and place value of the digit 6 in the number 7566032. So we have to find the face value as well as the place value. The face value of 6 is 6 and the place value is 1, tens, 100, 1000, that is 6000. Sum number 7. Write the face value and the place value of the odd digits in the number 36510 So here, what are the odd numbers here? 3, 5, 1 and 9. So, face value, place value. So 3 is here 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So face value will be 3 and here the place value will be 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5. Face value will be 5 only. Now let us count 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. This is the place value. 1 face value will be 1. 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. And 9 face value will be 9. Place value is 90. Sum number 8. We have to find the difference between the place value and the face value of the digit 9 in the number 229301. So first let us take out the face value, that is 9, and the place value will be 1, tens, 100, 1000. So what do we have to do? We have to find the difference of the place value and the face value. That means 9000 minus 9, that gives us 8991. That's the answer. Sum number 9. We have to determine the difference of the place value of 2 sevens in the digit 3, 7, 0, 1, 4, 4, 7, 2. So here we have to first take out the place value of 2 sevens. We have 2 sevens in this digit. One's place value is 70 here, and this one is 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Here. So what we have to do? Now we have to find the difference. That means we need to subtract. Minus 70 gives us So this is the digits we have got after subtraction, and now we have to arrange them or rewrite them in the international system. So this is 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. So the words will be 6 millions 900 . $99,930. Question number 10. Determine the product of the place value and the face value of the digit 4 in the number 5, 4, 3, 7. So the face value is 4 and the place value is 400. So we have to find the product. Product means 400 into 4 gives us 1600. We have the answer. Number 11. We have to find the difference between the number 8, 9, 5 and that obtained on reversing its digits. So this is the number. Now on reversing we will get 5, 9, 8. So now we have to find the difference. So 895 minus 598 gives us 297. So here we come to the end of exercise 1.1. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon and select all for every update.